channel. My name's Papa Drew. It's Papa Drew's RV. And actually, that's a Skoolie behind me. That's my Skoolie. It's taken me a year to get this Skoolie. I'm going to go through a whole series of why did I buy a Skoolie? How did I buy a Skoolie? How did I find a builder? What is it like to work with a builder? How much it is for the price of a complete build for a Skoolie? What are the appliances that I put into the Skoolie? Why did I pick the appliances into the Skoolie? And then I'm going to give you a tour of what the inside looks like. So if you haven't already done it, you're going to want to like, share, and subscribe this video. I might give you some good information. I know I will, because it's taken me a year to get this journey done. Oh, my Skoolie. So cool. So, I'm trying to walk here so I don't fall down. And I'm not just boring just talking to you guys. I want to give you some eye candy to look at. School bus. All the windows are in. Look at that. Not one window is... I left every single window in. I have 360 degree view, 360 degree breeze, and I lose heat and air conditioning 360 degrees. Oh well. All right. Why did I buy a Skoolie? I bought a Skoolie because it's metal. The whole thing is metal. It's not a plastic fantastic. It doesn't have laminated walls and all that other stuff. It's bolts, metal, and it's solid. Skoolies are very solid. In between every window is a roll bar. So that's one roll bar, that's another roll bar, and they go all the way around the bus. That way if the bus ever does roll over, well, it'll be an interesting ride. If I have a margarita going, that would help it, make a margarita, but it's just they're safe. They're built like tanks. They're so awesome. My maintenance deck, so I can go up and clean off my solar panels. Skoolies are cool. This journey for me started a year ago in Quartzsite. God, look how pretty it is here. I'm in Texas. Started a year ago. But he's got mad carpenter skills and I don't have those. So it got me hooked. Wow. Look at the customization you can do in a school bus versus all the other motorhomes or fifth wheels around me. Class A's, Class C's, Class B's. And don't get me wrong, they're good stuff. I just not for me. I had a Class C. Slides kept having problems. It was built like a tank. It was 2007. It was a good motorhome, really good motorhome. Whoever's going to get that motorhome's going to get a deal. But, no, just wasn't for me. Skoolies are for me. Look at this. I got a door in my bathroom. How cool is that? To get a door out of your bathroom, you have to buy a Newmar, an upper scale Newmar, and then you pay for this door. I got a door, came with my bus. I don't know. Go figure. I can open up the door and just step out when it's not locked from the outside, but whatever. I also have a top sign. More on that later, but if you say it quick enough, it sounds like a stop sign, but it's really a top sign. So, let me keep going around here. I bought a Skoolie for protection. It's just safe. It's got an 8.3 liter Cummins on an Allison 3060 transmission. It's going to be able to pull the F250 with a Can-Am on top of it. More to come on that and the hitch setup. I did a full filming on how I got the hitch installed, what kind of hitch it is, and where I got it installed. I'll give you the pricing on that as well. I'm going to give you the pricing for everything during the series. Just so cool, man. I've been living in this now for a week in temperatures at 21 degrees at night. And I haven't shivered once. Not one time have I shivered in the Skoolie. I will tell you the windows, they definitely need covering. You need to cover the windows, man. I use a lot of heat. But give you a little... Nah, I can't do that yet. We'll go in. We'll go in and we'll do it. But yeah, what a journey. When I picked up the Skoolie from the builders, man, we had a lot of patience. Let's just put it that way. And they did really good customer service. They helped fix everything, and they stood by their product, so I have no complaints there, but had a lot of patience. Let's just put it that way. But we got it all working. So good on Jordan and Sabrina. Thank you for doing that for me. That's really cool, you guys. And especially all the customer service. Well done. I'm going to tell you who I went to in the next segment, but Skoolies, I bought it because it's safe. I bought the Skoolie. It wasn't expensive relative to whatever you're going to get. I bought the Skoolie because you can put real wood inside of a Skoolie. Real wood floors, real wood ceilings. I'll give you a small peek at the ceiling. Yeah, that's Eastern cedar ceiling. Big bathroom in there, big bedroom, halfway decent living room, very small kitchen. It's just me. So, microwave works really well. Tested the heck out of that. And I even drove the Skoolie to Applebee's the other night for dinner. So, just kind of having fun. But the Skoolie I bought because it's less slides, less maintenance, no moving parts other than the engine and the tires. Right now it's got an airbag leak, but I'm going to get that fixed. I don't know how much that is. I'll let you all know. That's really the only problem with the Skoolie right now. It's just the airbag and that annoying brake alarm that's going off. But the brakes seem fine. The compressor's keeping up with all the air and stuff, so we're going to take it over to AAA and get it fixed. Tony and Joe are awesome over there. If you ever go over and you're looking for school buses, tell them Papa Drew sent you. But we'll go into great detail on AAA and why I picked this bus. Out of a whole lineup of buses, I picked this Skoolie. It's got 250,000 miles on it, on a Cummins 8.3 liter with an Allison transmission. It's a good pairing of an engine and transmission combination. 250,000, I might have to do a little bit of maintenance on it, but if I keep the maintenance up, it should run just fine for many, 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 many more miles. Yeah, it's just a win-win. I like driving the school bus. It's a lot of fun. When you're driving down the road, people look at you like you're odd, which is fine because I am. You have other school bus ladies and men. They wave at you thinking that you're a school bus until they see the maintenance roof on the top, and then they kind of go, huh? And it's just, just to see that, huh, is kind of funny. I hope I get that on film sometime so I can show you all. But if you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to do it because what a journey. So other reasons I bought the Skoolie is I like all the windows. I have such great natural light in there. And in the summer when I'm on the beach or up in the mountains and I put down all the windows, it's going to smell so good and just have all that fresh air coming through there. Man, how nice is that going to be, right? That's another reason I bought the Skoolie. I bought the Skoolie because it has a big Cummins engine in it, 8.3 liter. Bought the Skoolie because it's an Allison transmission. It's got no dents or dings. The paint's in really good condition. It's a 2007 Thomas built bus. I know everybody's like, get a Bluebird. I like Thomas. Thomas built buses are great buses. So I did it. So that's why I bought a Skoolie. And if you have any questions, sorry about the sun. If you have questions, let me know. Comment down below. I'd like to hear from you about questions you have about the Skoolie. We are going to get into the inside of the Skoolie. We will do a full tour of all the goodies that are inside here, and there's a lot, trust me. If you've been following along on my Facebook and my Instagram, you're going to know kind of what's already in here, but I'm going to give you a more in-depth, detailed tour of what is inside of this Skoolie, because the neat thing about having a Skoolie is there are no two Skoolies that are alike. They're all different. And this one, you're never going to see another Skoolie like this again. I don't think anybody has a bathroom like the one I have inside this Skoolie. So, yeah, kind of cool, man. It's been such a journey to get this, like emotional. It all started at Quartzsite. And Carl, thanks Carl, crazy nut. I'm going to go see him tomorrow down in Padre Island. We're going to put on the solar. I got a whole solar package that I just bought. Cost me an arm and a leg. We're going to put that on the Skoolie. Of course, I'm going to film that. I have a lot of content in the can right now. I just got to edit it and get it up. But I've been going back and forth to the builders like you wouldn't believe, back and forth and back and forth. getting stuff fixed and doing that kind of stuff. So we'll get that done, and then we'll get it edited. We'll get it up for you to view. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that red button, turn it gray. Send me some questions and some comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. I want to build a family, build a relationship with everybody, and really get the channel going. We're going to turn into like a travel channel, travel vlog. We're going to show you where to camp for free and how to camp for free and how to save money right now with gas being so expensive. And I'm going to teach you and show you where we drive the Can-Am, the X3. That's a 2022 Can-Am that I'm going to tow behind this in an F-250 4x4. I'm going to show you where to drive that and have a fun there and video and all kinds of stuff. So the channel's really changing into a pretty cool channel, travel channel, and it's going to be fun, man. I'm going to take this Skoolie all over the place. I'm going to release my travel plans for the summer if the gas doesn't get too crazy, and show you where we're going to go, because it's really going to be neat. Trust me out. It's a bucket list item that I have, and I want to take you all along with me, and share it. I think it'll be fun. So again, stay tuned, because we have a lot of content coming. The next thing I'm going to talk about is where I bought the Skoolie, how much the Skoolie was, just the Skoolie. We're going to talk about that, give you some people to go talk to, some ideas when you're buying the Skoolie, kind of what to look for. I mean, my Skoolie, other than the air leak that I have right now, it doesn't leak any fluids, have any mechanical issues like that, knock on wood. It's been solid, and it's just fun to drive. They're really fun to drive. So yeah, I'm just excited to share this with you guys. So like, subscribe, and share, and let's go on the journey. But that's why I bought the Skoolie, for safety, economics. It's easy to work on. It's customizable. It's a blank canvas that you can do just anything you want to do inside of this. Your imagination and space and money is really your only constraints when you're doing a Skoolie. Other than that, it's a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want in there. And I did. Wow. Wait till you see the inside of it. But next series here in a couple days, we're going to talk about where I bought the Skoolie, how much I paid for the Skoolie, and why I picked a Thomas over a Bluebird. And I almost got an International, but we didn't do that. So I'm going to tell you all about this, why I picked this one and where I picked it up and where you can pick it up. And yeah. And then how to get it registered and how to get it insured, which is it's difficult, but you can do it. I'm going to show you how to do it and teach you. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you've stuck around this long, type into the comments, man, because you're a super family member if you stuck around this long. I'd love to just get a comment down below saying, I finished it, Drew. We watched all of it, man. So yeah, cool. Peace, love, and hippies. I'm out of here. See you in a couple days. Take care, everybody.